We have the honor to be here today with Rabbi Yosef Mizrachי. Rabbi, can you give an etzah on Shalom Bayit?
The main foundation of having peaceful marriage and successful marriage is fixing your personality traits. Get rid of the ego, get rid of the anger, the laziness, the stinginess. You have to invest in the other side. You don't come into the marriage to receive, you come to give. And you come with this kind of approach, later on you will find that everything works out. Today most of the problem in marriages is bad personality traits. Who's going to say the last word? Who will overrule the other one? Who will control? It has to be my way or the highway. Get rid of this terrible mentality. I come into the marriage to give. You don't want to give, you cannot be married. Marriage is to take care of the other side. She has to look at him as her king, he has to look at her as a queen, and the king wants to make the queen happy, and vice versa, and that's the key to succeed in marriage. Those who fix their personality, they were humble, down to earth, generous, giving, not ungrateful, appreciate what's done for them, they will always succeed. Those who do not want to get rid of these negative traits will never succeed in marriage.